Welcome to episode 9 of my first time trying to make some money with stock photography. Switch these out so you can see me and I can still see you. I'm Angel, by the way. You can call me Aunt Angel if you want to. And this is my sharing with you my journey of trying to make some cash with stock photography. And so far, it's been discouraging, to say the least. And not because I was already aware that I wouldn't be making any money right away. Pardon the hair, I was outside digging in the mud. I'm a mess, a hot mess, some might say. I knew that it would take some time, and I have committed to doing at least 3 months of part-time effort, so 15 or more hours a week. It's already been, closer to 30 or more hours a week. And I think it's day 12 or so. It's been a couple days that I've had to put it down and be mostly focused on other things. But most days I've been giving it some time and attention and sticking with it and learning every day. And here's where I'm at so far. I have had a lot of struggles with Adobe and Alchemy, the two platforms that are still, I think, in everybody's favorite list among stock photographers who do make some regular money. Shutterstock being the other one, and I'm having much better luck with Shutterstock. So the good Shutterstock, I have... Let me look at my notes. I've lost them that quickly. Where are they? Oh, they're there. I've had 214 reviewed, and out of those, 116 are in my portfolio. So just over 50%. I don't think that's very good, but it's not really surprising. And it's, been humbling. And I think I have 100 or so more that I've uploaded that I probably will just delete because I'm learning more and more about the quality standards and the limitations of my equipment and my eyes and lots of things. So happy to have finally got across that 100 mark because that was eluding me for a while. And I have 116 in my portfolio. I was originally thinking that I would have 125 a week or so in several portfolios. That has not turned out to be true. And as I approach the 2-week mark, I'm thinking it's looking like it's maybe half of that much on one platform and less than that on the others. I have just under that on Dreams Time. Last I tried to look this morning, and it takes forever to upload. It's very slow. So I don't know the exact number, but it's comparable to Shutterstock. But again, it takes longer to put my metadata in there and longer to just even upload any page. So I will probably be shifting toward mostly Shutterstock in that arena. Alchemy, I had 2 more failures due to one of, at least they did do me the kindness of telling me which one it was that was soft focus. It was a picture of some hamburger meat in a bowl, which they, and I have been double checking all of my photos blown up at full, but for whatever reason, I imagine the focus wasn't broad enough. I'm still trying to master my settings on the camera. So even though that's humiliating to say, because I've been at it a long time, is what it is. So Alchemy denied both of my... So after I had one success with Alchemy and they've opened the doors to me, then I've had my first 2 submissions after that have failed due to the same picture of hamburger in both of those. Because, yeah, it's a long story, but continues to be frustrating and non-productive. That long story. But I will continue to try again. I think I'm going to limit my submissions to 3 and just keep trying harder and trying to improve. I did get accepted as a contributor to Pond 5. Yay! I'm kind of excited about that, but I've spent a lot of time reading through and trying to better understand that platform so that I don't waste my efforts. And I'm looking forward to trying some video footage mostly on there. And I'm looking at their payment structure and thinking probably it will behoove me to build a portfolio there. They pay a lot more if you are an exclusive artist, and it looks to be a popular platform. It looks to be very supportive of their artists and doing good things. So I'm going to continue to explore that, but I'm feeling like I'm glad that I didn't invest in 500 PX, although I may still, because that's more photo oriented, I think. But I am thinking that I might look into building a portfolio on Shutterstock and or Pond 5. And while I'm thinking of it, I will probably be collecting affiliate links to sign up for those and other programs. So check out the description if you want to help support me and or check those out. A lot of times there's a 10% discount. I'll be, again, getting that more together as I move forward in this endeavor. So that was kind of a hodgepodge of the good, the bad, the ugly all together. I would say I have spent a lot of time dreaming about a new camera. I spent some time watching some of the newer Peter McKinnon videos, who I've been a great fan of since way back at the start of his endeavors on YouTube, actually. And it's been neat to watch him evolve. And I try hard to not get discouraged by my own lack of evolution, because the truth is that I haven't put in the time and the energy that some of the other people who have evolved past me have. And that's why I'm here putting in more time and effort trying to change that part of my story. So on that note, let me know what I might do to better serve you as I move forward in this endeavor. Yeah, Peter McKinnon was promoting a Canon camera, and it was like $5,000 to $8,000, which is way out of my budget right now. So, but it was nice to dream. And in the meantime, what I have done is I managed to scrounge up enough money after I paid some of my bills late to get another external hard drive, which will be specifically for dumping everything that is in my current PC onto, and trying to free up enough space to see if it will run one of these editing software programs. I tried to sign up for Adobe Creative Suite a while back, and my computer would not download any of the programs because it's just too old and slow. But having now done some more research and dreamed a lot about a new computer as well, which is still a little out of my price range, in the zone, in the $1,000 to $3,000 range is probably what I need to really do what I want to do these days. And I don't quite have that at my disposal this month, but I went ahead and spent a little under $100 on a 2 terabyte external drive. Did you know they're like, for $120 you get 5 terabyte drive right now? That was pretty remarkable. But I went with the 2 because I don't really fully trust that I won't start to lose data at some point. I've had that happen before on some drives. And I think there's less than 1 terabyte on my computer. So I'm going to dump everything onto that hard drive. And then I'm going to see if I can have more luck with some of these programs that will allow me to more efficiently deal with my metadata and my organization. So looking forward to that, and I will be sharing that with you. Just to summarize any lessons that I learned in the last couple days since I last checked in, it's definitely been to don't get your hopes up high, like look down the road at long term. Look for other ways that you can capitalize on the experience of stock photography, like print on demand or getting private clients, or beefing up your Instagram, your social media accounts so that you can get other clients and building a portfolio, I think is a worthy endeavor. So, yep, I want to say don't get discouraged. it's a long process, and there's a lot of really, really talented photographers out there. That said, there's always room for your unique eye, your unique voice. And the thing I notice over and over again about the people who inspire me is that they have found a way to really tap into their own unique perspective and voice and message. And so I think that's a key that we can all learn from. And there's always more room because there's only one you and there's only one me. So of course there's room for that expression. And it's just a matter of exploring what that is and getting better at whatever it is that that you want to do, basically. Talking to me and I'm talking to you. So thanks for letting me be me. Thanks for being you. Thanks for showing up and sticking with me. Give me a thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel and leave me a comment if you got something to share. Check out the description for affiliate links and links to, I've got a book, got several books actually on Amazon, but this one might be of interest to you. It's about the Head Hutt, this mega sculpture that you see around me that I built with my own 2 hands. It's quite the endeavor. And until next time, stay curious, stay courageous, and stay free.